Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you all know, the last time I was calling price action on this pair, I was looking at sell side liquidity somewhere below here, and I was looking at this low also as a drawn liquidity. That is this weekly inefficiency, okay, the remaining portion of it. And as you can see today, we have those price levels hit already. So initially, I would have made this video earlier this week, but I wanted to see, this is CPI and PPI week, so I wanted price to show us its hands before I engage in making any video right now. Okay, so with that being said, I want you guys to pay attention to this inefficiency right here. This inefficiency I called the last time as a target, okay, as a draw. You guys pay attention to it, and also this other block. Okay, I'm looking at this other block, the mean threshold, that's the midpoint of it. I'm also looking at it. Okay, so that is the midpoint of this fair value gap on daily time frame. But when I drop, you get to see it better. I'm drop down to daily time frame. So initially on Monday, price was somewhere around here. So I wanted to see how we open. I mean on Sunday, sorry. I wanted to see how we open on Monday, open on Sunday night, then how we drop, okay, or trace into this range to 6 lower prices. But with what you have, we just had a dive and closed below this fair value gap, the one I spotted on the weekly time frame. Okay, so having that in mind, I'm now looking for that to act as an inversion fair value gap. Okay, I can also see this fair value gap on the daily time frame also. This low of this candle and the high of this candle. I'm looking at it also, but I don't want to mark it so my chart won't be my chart won't be clustered like it's a lot of tools. Okay, so I'm looking for some kind of a respect on this fair value gap, then drop into this level. That's what I'm looking at. Today is PPI. Yesterday was CPI, so we have to be careful of that. The news will be released in less than an hour, so I'm looking at a kind of a deeper price to dive deeper into this level to at least consequent encroachment of this gap, which is also that weekly mean threshold. That's the midpoint of that other block on the weekly time frame, which I outlined. Okay, so this video I want to just drop this video because this analysis should serve us for today, tomorrow, but probably by weekend when market have shown us its hand, then I will be able to call more prices or be able to tell you guys the direction that we are looking for. But for now, as long as we stay below this inefficiency right here, okay, this blue line, this high and this low, as long as we stay in it, I expect price to drop into this sell side liquidity here and then trade to midpoint of this. Today is Thursday, so you guys should understand that also. So with that being said, the levels that we're looking at is we're looking at first level I had on the lower time frame that was is 19,332.3. That's the first target. The second target is 19,104. Okay, 0.6. That's this low. Okay, so and I like the way the bodies of the candle are respecting this inefficiency. Okay, it taps into it, it drops, it taps into it here, it drops also. The bodies are respecting it. We can wick into it, but I don't want to see a closure above. Okay, so that's what's permissible for me here. We can wick into it, that's fine. I'm looking for a drop into this. But while we're dropping, I'm looking at the consequent increment of this week also. That will also be a draw. Then this low optimally. This low as the last target, then you can stretch into this mean threshold at 19,000 big figure. Okay, that's 19,000 exactly. So let me go to the US 500. Sorry, my chart is kind of dirty. This the week is still on, so I have a lot on it already because I'm using them straight for the week. So I have some similar thing right here also. I have something similar right here also. I'm also aiming for on the US 500. I'm also aiming for this midpoint here. Okay, that's midpoint of this other block. Okay, if price dives and breaks this midpoint and keep going, okay, without respecting it, then we could be looking for lower prices. The same on US 100 also, okay, but that will probably be for weekend. Like these lows could be for weekend. So I want to see how we react on this inefficiency first on the US 100. Okay, let me go up to US 500. Also, I have something similar there. I'm looking at how we react on that inefficiency also to send us lower on the weekly time frame. So I'm looking for this level here. I'm looking for 5,000, 5,512.8. That's what I'm looking at as a draw on liquidity on the US 500. So same bias, looking at how we trade into this inefficiency here and how we're respecting it. Then waiting for price to send us lower into this. This is just a small trade because this is just a little move, okay, for the week. Probably by weekend I will drop another video. So I'm looking at this inefficiency, okay, and this week something like this. Let me mark it out. Looking at this, okay, I'm looking at price to drop into this shaded area, this area. That's what I'm looking at as a draw on liquidity, okay. So let me go to the Dow, the US. So I'm having kind of, so let me go to the US 30. I'm also looking for lower prices here also, okay. We're looking for price to draw into this to close this inefficiency here. Looking for price to close this completely, okay. So that's what we're looking for. Still looking at the consequential retracement of this week also as a target, okay. That is when we succeed to close here and probably we extend more, then we can get to the consequential retracement of this. So I'm just dropping this so this can guide us for the week. And also on this GBPUSD, if you can remember the last time we were expecting price to retrace into this, then let's take a buy and that will take out this buy side liquidity. You can see we already have that here, okay. We already have it. I'm also looking at this buy side liquidity here and also this inefficiency here. That's what I'm looking for on GBPUSD also. I'm not saying that that will happen today or tomorrow, but I'm looking at this other block here. Probably that could send us up to this high around this equal high, relatively equal highs here, okay. And maybe anytime we get to this, or during the weekend, I'll make another video also on this. I just want to drop a very sharp video so that should be able to guide us while trading for these 2 days, that is today and tomorrow. So also remember the last time I was talking about how we are going to react on this. I'm looking at this breaker block here. I'm looking at this week also, okay. So see how we dropped into it and then had a nice ride here, took our buy side liquidity here and also took our buy side liquidity here also, okay. So I'm looking at this inefficiency, this little inefficiency here also. That's what I'm looking at. It's around 1.0997. That's what I'm looking at also, okay. We could retrace, we could still buy. For now, I'm not just calling a claim on this. I'm just trying to just call the draws on liquidity here and outline the targets that we are looking for, which was achieved already on this. So I think that will be all for today. This was a very quick one. Please guys, please endeavor to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I drop these contents every time, okay, and I'll be doing it throughout the year. So you can like, share and subscribe, so that will encourage me also to be doing more of this and to keep you guys updated on these pairs, okay. Have a nice day guys and have a good let's say trading week. Today's Thursday. Enjoy the rest of your week trading. Bye guys. And also don't forget today is PPI, so please don't trade ahead of PPI. If you do and burn your account, sorry about that, but you shouldn't be trading ahead of PPI. Maintain discipline and trade like a pro. Have a nice day guys. Peace.